As you can see, active managerial control is a very powerful food safety tool, while also being a system that can be seamlessly worked into your daily business procedures. As stated before, once enrolled in the Cutting Edge program, your inspections will alternate between routine inspections and verification visits. Both inspection types have the same foundation of evaluating food safety standards. However, verification visits have a more streamlined approach, where the inspector will focus on evaluating the effectiveness of your food safety systems as they relate to the 10 risk factors. Let's now see some examples of what a verification visit will look like. Hello, I'm Robert with the Environmental Services Department. I'm here for your verification visit inspection. Is the manager or person in charge available today?
No, there's no manager here. They had to step out.
No problem. I'll just do a routine inspection today. Here's my business card. Have them give me a call and I'll review the inspection with them. Hello, I'm Robert with the Environmental Services Department. I'm here for your verification visit inspection. Is the manager or person in charge available today?
Hi there. We're in the middle of a crazy rush right now, so I'm afraid I won't be able to walk with you. Is that okay?
Absolutely. I can still do your verification visit inspection, and I'll make sure to stay out of everyone's way. If you're not available by the time the inspection's done, I'll just leave my contact information and we can discuss the inspection at a later time when it's more convenient for you. Well, before we get started, I just want to show you a list of the items we'll be looking at today. Can you let me know if any of these are occurring right now?
We actually have a little bit of everything going on today.
Perfect. Then let's just go to your cook line first, and we'll take it from there. Let's see your food safety systems in action. How's that sound? Well, it looks like your chicken's not holding hot enough. I got 124 degrees, but all your other food items are holding just fine. What temperature did you get?
That's strange. I also got 124 degrees. This one must have been overlooked. Let me go check the log sheet to see when it was cooked. It was made 30 minutes ago, so we'll just reheat the chicken to 165.
Well, that sounds good, but let's take a look at what caused it in the first place. Maybe more training or monitoring steps are required. Well, it looks like your chicken's not holding hot enough. I got 124 degrees, but all your other food items are holding just fine. What temperature did you get?
I also got 124 degrees. I have no clue what happened.
What should you do next then?
I'm not sure. We go through our chicken so fast that temperature really isn't an issue for us.
Well, I can help you with that today, but I'm going to have to change this inspection to a routine inspection. Active managerial control means you would know what to do in the situation. Let's take a look at your procedures and let's find out what happened today. I want to make sure that you're successful in the program moving forward. Well, I just saw one of your employees only wash their hands for about 10 seconds. Can you please remind me what your policy says on hand washing, and how do you train your staff on this?
I believe the policy states to wash for 20 seconds. I know our employees are trained on the 20-second hand washing when they first start with us.
Well, let's look at your policies and training procedures and see if we can figure out where it went wrong today. Well, your policies on personal hygiene and hand washing look pretty good, and your training procedures are pretty solid as well. Let's take a look at your verification steps and see if they're effective enough.
After staff receive their training on hand washing and personal hygiene, they sign a form showing that they have received the proper training.
Well, that's great information, but on a daily basis, how are you verifying that your staff are properly washing their hands?
Whenever we see staff having issues with their hand washing, we instruct them to just wash their hands again.
Well, it seems the verification step is where your system broke down today. You'll need to solidify that to make it more effective in the future. Your policies on hand washing look good, and you have great initial training, but it appears follow-up training and verification steps are the root cause today.
I totally understand. Do you have any recommendations for us?
Well, it looks like some refresher training on hand washing could reinforce some good habits, and I have some stickers on hand washing that you could use to help with this. But if you're not in the kitchen all the time, I recommend you use someone else to help you with the verification steps.
That's some great information. I'll review our system with management.
Unfortunately, there were multiple system breakdowns today. We saw cold holding violations, hand washing issues, and cross-contamination.
This is awful. I had a few people not show up for work today, and I'm short a manager.
I'm sorry, that does make it difficult. However, a proper food safety system should assist you in this time. With all the violations today, we really did not see active managerial control. I can help you with these today, but I'm going to have to switch this over to a routine inspection. Let's take a look at all of your food safety systems and find out where they went wrong today. I want to make sure you're successful moving forward. It looks like you have a whole roast cooling over here. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. We just started cooking our own roasts and cooling them down.
Well, it doesn't look like cooling was a part of your initial approval. Why don't you show me all your policies on this cooling process so we can update our records?